In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the OpenNebula on the CentOS KVM virtual machine. So first we need to prepare one host virtual machines, and because I'm using the VMware workstation and the VMware player, and it does not support the cloning, so I'm going to copy manually the virtual machine disk, and then I will add as a new VM. So here in the VCC Labs, just now I have already created one virtual machine, and then I'm going to create new virtual machines. First I'm going to create a new folder. The name is inside this VCC Labs. I'm going to create a new folder, and I name it the Node 1. Okay, after that I move to this, and all the file that used for this virtual machines I'm going to copy to the Node 1. Okay, so this will be the my OpenNebula virtual machine host. Okay, so I open the VMware player. Okay, after that I'm going to open the virtual machine. So the location is under the C drive, under the VCC Labs. Okay, here you go, Node 1. Okay, I will rename this as Node 1 VM, or just add first. Okay, then after that I will rename this to be the Node 1. Okay, and then after that in the setting I'm going to add the memory, make it bigger. So my memory is 16 gig, so I can put 4 gig maybe, yeah. And processor still the same. Click OK. Then after that I run the VM. So I choose copy. Do you want to try to connect this virtual device for the IDE 0? No, yeah. This is the connection to the ISO image. Okay, so waiting for the machines to fully started. We're going to follow the lab instruction in this PDF. Yeah, few things that you're going to do. The first is you're going to modify the etc SE Linux config by disabling the SE Linux, and then reboot, then disable the firewall. After that run the yum update, then clean all, yeah. Okay, then reboot again. So a few reboot process, yeah. We will do this step by step later. Okay, so log on. So we're going to rename the virtual machine first. Before that, of course, we're going to test some network setting. Open the terminal, run the command ifconfig. Okay, then ping. Okay, so connected to the internet, and then using the SU. Okay, then after that check the host name. So I'm going to rename it host name CTL, set the host name to be the node1.ryan domain. Okay, then check again the host name. Okay, not one Ryan domain. Then we're going to modify this config, yeah, etc se linux config. Disable this etc se linux config. So vim etc se linux config. Okay, so here we're going to disable this. Let's insert. Okay, disable, yeah. Then save it, yeah. So cat already disabled. Okay, and then after that according to this, after you edit, then reboot, then disable the firewall, yeah, IP tables -f, and then service firewall stop, and this one, yeah. Okay, just run this command, IP tables, yeah, and then service firewall stop. Okay, service firewall daemon, yeah, firewall daemon, and then the check config, firewall daemon off. Okay, and then perform the yum update. Okay, this will take a while. After this I'm going to reboot the system, so just leave it run first. Okay, so the yum update completed already. Then I'm going to reboot the server. Okay, so after we restart the virtual machine, then we continue the OpenNebula installations by creating the OpenNebula repo file. So we're going to create the file. The name is OpenNebula.repo, which is located under this location, etc yum repos.t, then OpenNebula.repo. So we create this file. Initially the file is a blank. Then I have prepared a text file. Just copy paste. After that we save the file in the default location. Okay, so once the repo file ready, then we perform the installation. But before that we need to install the package ebel release, yeah. So continue the installations. This is a package. Answer yes. Then after that we continue with the command to install the component OpenNebula server and the Sunstone. So the server is the main component for the front end node or the master node, and then Sunstone is for the web service, the GUI interface. Okay, just answer yes for the questions to install all the packages. It will take a while. I have speed up this process. By fast forwarding the video. Okay. Yeah, just wait the installations until finish, then complete. And then we continue by installing the other OpenNebula component, the Ruby and Kate, and also the flow. Download the package. Yeah, complete. So now we're going to configure the one admin user account password. So we issue as a one admin, then we define the password as a localhost 1, and we write this into the file in the default location var lib.1, and then 1 underscore out, yeah, AUTH. Okay, so write the password, then just test by reading again the file that created. So you see the username one admin, the password is localhost 1. Okay, so after that we continue the installations by running the service. System control start OpenNebula, the main service. We provide the root password to start the service, and then continue by starting the Sunstone services. Also provide the root password. Okay, so both services already started. Then we check the connectivity by running command one user show. Yeah, the connection is established as one admin and the service is running. Password is check code. Okay, then try to log on with the username one admin, and the password is localhost 1. Okay, so successfully connected to the one admin. Okay, there are a few other things that we need to do following the lab guide. Yeah, go back to the command, and then we install the package to Ruby Jan Sinatra. Yeah, need to escalate the privilege as root. Continue the installation. Finish. Then one more. Open Nebula. RubyGen Open Nebula. To install the KVM on the node, yeah, this one. Yum install the Open Nebula node KVM. Yeah, I already completed this part, and then we're going to do this one, yeah, to enable the KVM. This is what we call as a nested hypervisor. Okay, so I will be doing this in my VM. So let's yep. So open, then run the command. Yum install Open Nebula node KVM. Okay. Okay, done. And after that we're going to run the service lib virtual daemon, yeah, to restart. Okay, then after that configure the SSH, this is step 8, yeah, to be a passwordless, yeah. Okay, we are able to log on SSH to the local host that running already KVM, yeah. Okay, then we finish this part to enable the worker node in the VM by installing the KVM. After that, configure the SSH. Okay, so I stop this video first.